Welcome. This video is about subject preference for BTech admission through WBJEE. The result of West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination is already published and the counseling procedure is going to start soon. So in this video I am going to discuss about some subject and subject preference. Okay, for the preference, my advice is if you are interested about a particular subject, so that subject may be your first choice. Okay, so in this video I am going to give you my opinion. I make this preference order according to the market demand and placement. First one is computer science and engineering. This may be your first choice, as because there are many mass recruiting companies which are basically IT companies like TCS, CTS, Infosys, Wipro. They recruit a huge number of students. Okay, so if you are from computer science and engineering and information technology, so it is easy for you to get a job in IT sector. Okay, the second one is electronics and communication engineering. From this department also you may get software job. Beside this, telecommunication jobs and VLSI, that is most important. VLSI companies provide you a high paid job. Okay, and the next is electrical engineering. Government as well as private job opportunities there for electrical engineering, and you may also get a IT job if you are very good in coding. Okay, let's move. Next is mechanical engineering, then civil engineering and electronics and instrumentation engineering. You may change the preference order little bit according to your choice. Suppose if you are interested about electrical electronics related subjects, so you may give more preference to the electronics and instrumentation engineering subject. Okay, so suppose you are very interested about machines, you like the mechanical engineering, so it also may be your first choice. Okay, so after this I am going to give you some information about other subjects, some very important subjects. Basically there are some other subject in government institute like government engineering colleges and government institute. There is also very good placement and very good career opportunities there in that subjects. Okay, the first one is textile technology. The very good multinational companies like Arvind, Raymond, Amul Macho, they recruit the students from textile technology departments. Okay, and if you want to study textile technology, basically two colleges are there in West Bengal. One is GCTTV and another one is GCTTS, Government College of Engineering and Textile Technology, Berhampur and Srirampur. GCTTV is located in Berhampur under the Murshidabad district, and GCTTS is located in Srirampur, Hooghly district. Okay, these two are the old colleges, so you may expect a good placement from textile technology department. And if you are interested about the higher study, so these two colleges provide you MTech degree in textile technology, as well as through GATE examination you may take admission in MTech textile technology at IIT Delhi, and at IIT Roorkee there is packaging technology for the textile technology students, and in NIT Jalandhar there is also textile technology MTech. Okay, so placement as well as higher studies good opportunities are there in textile technology subject. The next one is ceramic technology. Ceramic product are basically like glass industries, like cement industries, and as well as various ceramic products are there. Mechanical industries also need ceramic engineer. Okay, so for ceramic technology there is only one college in West Bengal, that is Government College of Engineering and Ceramic Technology, which is located in Beleghata, Kolkata. Okay, this college also provide MTech in ceramic technology. Okay, the next one is leather technology, GCELT, Government College of Engineering and Leather Technology. This college is located in Salt Lake, Kolkata. Next one is dairy technology. The institute named West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Husbandry. This institute provide the BTech degree in dairy technology, as well as this institute also provide MTech as well as PhD in dairy technology. The dairy products are the dairy industry products that are like milk, cheese, curd, etc. are the dairy products, and very good multinational companies also recruit students from dairy technology from this college. Okay, so and very good higher study opportunities also there in this university. Okay, the next one is agricultural engineering. The agricultural engineering means that engineering sector basically produce the components which are related with agriculture. Okay, two very good universities are there in West Bengal. BCKV, that is Bidhan Chandra Kishi Vishwavidyalaya, and another one is UVKV, Uttarbango Kishi Vishwavidyalaya. Okay, so there is agricultural engineering subject in these two colleges. Seats are not seats are very less in these two colleges. Okay, so this will also be a very good opportunity for you. Good placement is there, as well as higher study opportunity also is there. So this technology and engineering subject which I discussed in this video, they may also give you a very good career. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this video, you may ask in the comment box section. Okay, thank you.